Brian again, and today I'm going to change out these 12-volt incandescent bulbs for LED bulbs. And I thought I'd shoot a little video to show you the difference on the color that the bulbs will give us. As you can see, the current bulbs give us more of a warm feel to the RV. And what I have bought, and I bought these through Amazon, is I bought some LED bulbs with the brand name GRB. They are made in China. Here's a couple of them. And as you can see, the LEDs are only on one side, so all the light will go down through the clear plastic cover, rather than the ones that are round that put light out all the way around, which half your light doesn't shine down, so you may be losing some of them. I bought a packet of 20, and I will put a link down in the comment below in the description to Amazon, to this brand, if you like the color of them. These are more of a true white, not a cool blue or a warm yellowish like we currently have. Okay, so I showed you the lights, I showed you the color that they put off. So now I am going to switch out the bulbs, and then I will come back on the video to show you what it looks like with all of these incandescent bulbs changed out. Okay, now I've got all the incandescent bulbs removed and the LED bulbs in. So I'm hoping you can see a difference in the color of the light. Very white, very bright. These are LED bulbs, and they're supposed to last longer and take a lot less electricity and power to be this bright. Go up here to the bedroom. As you can see, it is very bright up here now. Most of the time we don't use all of our lights. Like in the evening time when we might sit and read, we don't always use those overheads. But these two are giving a lot of light to sit underneath and read in the chairs. So anyways, like I said before, I will put the link to these LED bulbs down in the description notes underneath the video in case you want to order any to switch out your bulbs to LEDs.